Well, I was having problems with teeth breaking off. I had a tooth break off eating a French fry, which was a sign that things were really pretty bad. And I had another one break off several months later. I was told that I probably was a good candidate for implants because I had so many problems. If I decided to go with root canals or other methods, I'd just be throwing the money away because they really wouldn't last. So then I asked around, I talked to a few people, and I ended up coming to see Dr. Jenkins. I'd say it was a team effort, even though I was probably a minor player in the team. But yeah, he did not say like, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do that. He said, we'll do this, and he explained it, and I'll do that, and he explained it, and I was like part of what the decision was going to be. Functionality of my teeth is definitely much better than it was. Well, I know my smile's fantastic.